That's my dog, Caleb. I got him a treat, right? Watch it. Come on, Caleb. Walk, walk. There you go. Good boy. Come on. I'm gonna have him do some tricks. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Good doggy. All right. Come on. Walk. Walk. Oh Lord, he getting choked, y'all. Okay. He loves these tricks. Hey, go. I didn't say roll over. Okay, hold on. Come on, walk. No, play dead. Good boy. Good boy. Say bye, you two. Bye. That's all I know. He used to know how to sit up, but he's too old now. He's snatching this thing out my hand. Say hey, Caleb. And hey, Caleb. Look, Caleb. Alright guys, that's my dog Caleb. He gonna look different next time y'all see him because I'm getting ready to cut his hair. And he's still chomping. Come on, Caleb. Look up. Caleb like black people. He don't like nobody messing with him when he eat. Alright, bye guys.